Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We are looking at a company that has been a very popular staple amongst investors over the past couple of years. This is Advanced Micro Devices. This company was founded in Santa Clara in 1969, and that's in California in the United States. And what they do is they make chips that are used in computers and other electronic equipment. So they make principally two types of chips: chips for CPUs, that's for the computers itself themselves, and then also chips for graphics cards. So those are the two main products where this company is active. Now, if we look at the stock price, we can see that it's up about 5% today, but over the past 6 months, it has gone as high as the stock has gone as high as $160, and then it also dropped as low as at times reaching just $102. So $119 and showing an upward trend, that is always a good thing. Now, the main competitors in the space where AMD is active would be NVIDIA. And if you go back a few years, you also had Intel, which was active in this space and is also a giant. But the problem with Intel is that over the past about 5 years, they have failed to deliver on many of the products that they promised. And also the architecture of the chips that Intel is delivering are actually a few generations behind the technology that Apple and AMD have deployed. So AMD now has like really high performance chips, both in its CPUs, and also in its graphics cards, on its graphics cards. So in those two areas, AMD has definitely left Intel in the dust. But Intel, being the legacy chip manufacturer, has some contracts with OEMs and also some government, municipal, law enforcement entities that keep it afloat. But it's not looking very good for Intel as of right now. Also, Intel mostly produces its chips in-house, whereas many OEMs now contract their chip manufacturing to Taiwanese giants to produce these chips using the latest chip manufacturing architecture. Now, let's take a quick look at what the stock has looked like over the past 6 months. You can see that the stock rose going into December and then dropped, and now it seems to be on the rise once more. So my advice for this would be you just do your due diligence, but bear in mind that this stock has been a favorite amongst investors over the past couple of months. That is evident. You can see the volume of the stock traded on a daily basis, 98 million on average, and today in particular we have more than 100 million shares that have exchanged hands. So just do your due diligence and good luck with your investment strategy.